Maraming salamat sa inyong patuloy na pagsubaybay sa ating Shakey's V-League. First set went in favor of Ateneo. And once again, it's the same storyline doon sa second set, Anne.
But much better attacking mula dito sa Ateneo. They've managed to score 16 as opposed to only 5 of San Sebastian. At ang errors, though, no, for both squads, they were able to minimize it. And we've seen yun nga, itong si Tan kanina, talagang sumusugal sa kanyang mga attackers and really trying to vary their plays.
That's Giselle Tan that Andy Mula is pointing at. But of course, bakit nahihiyawan na? Maglalaro na. Itong si Alyssa Valdez for the Ateneo Lady Eagles. They are ahead by 2-0. But this is how deep yung roster is para dito kay Coach Ty Bundit. Kasama nga, hindi pa naglalaro. Kulang-kulang pa. Wala yung kanilang top setter. Ella De Jesus is also sitting out this second game for the Lady Eagles at ipinasok pa si Alyssa Valdez.
Kaya naman naghiyawan talaga itong mga fans. Kita natin, handang-handa sila with their banners. Go Ali.
All the way from Batangas.
Yan ang ating star player ng ating talagang proud favorite.
A better of the ASEAN Games and the Asian Under-23 at yung Southeast Asian Games. Ang 22-year-old Batangueña ay patuloy na pinapasaya hindi lang ang Ateneo community kundi yung mga followers ng Philippine Volleyball. And she has been the face of Philippine Volleyball in the last few years. Of course, kasama sila Jaja Santiago and a lot of other top names katulad nila Gretzel Solcones.
It's always really nice to see yung mga ating players na nag-improve, yung improvement nila over time, where they are now, how some of them are representing our country.
Yes, and what makes me doubly happy, Anne, is the fact that not only do we have the national team already, pero yung mga players natin nakilala. And our
stars in their own
yung ating mga kababayan have embraced these lady athletes to be a part ng landscape ng palakasan sa Pilipinas.
And this time around, it's not just all about the look. It's really about the skills because people understand how this game
Which should be the case. And case in point, Alyssa Valdez from the back. Scoring, pushing. And once again, excellent read on the defense.
Ayan mga banners. Ikaw ang, hindi ko na natapos basahin. Alinfinity.
If there's such a thing.
Ayun, I love ka ng Alinfinity.
Mukhang yun ang pangalan ng
kanyang fans club.
Tinan mo nga naman, At maski sa Field Sports Arena, dumadayo yung mga yan. Ultra-fast LTE for a happy family. It speeds up to 10 Mbps monthly internet for slow as $9.99. Ito rin yung talaan doon sa second set. And that was the best part for San Sebastian in that particular set. At right now, it's a 3-point bubble for Baste. Nasayaran yung net. Mapabuhok, mapakuko, gumalaw yung net. Siya ang tawag dito ng ating first referee. San Sebastian looking for answers. Ateneo looking for a punctuation mark to try and go 3 straight sets versus the Lady Stags. Hirap bantayan ni Jane Maraginot. Kaya nandyan pa si Alyssa. Tignan mo yung front line para dito sa Ateneo.
At ito yung nakikita natin. Opensa nila yung malakas ngayon. It's really about consistency.
If not for their reception, yung pag-receive nila kanina sa mga serves ng San Sebastian na maraming errors, makikita mo halos flawless yung nilalaro nila. Giselle Tan for the Lady Eagles. Villegas checked. Humirok. Matatawagan naman dito ang Baste ng net touch. At yan ay pang-4 na puntos ng Ateneo. Giselle Tan for the Lady Eagles.
Over-receive.
We talk about height disparity. We talk about the tremendous height advantage of the Lady Eagles. And time and again, and it has shown during the course of this first 3 sets. And if it's Fun Family and Pizza, it's got to be Shakey's. Giselle Tan erasing an early 4-point deficit. And finally, nabutasan yung double block ng Ateneo.
That was Encarnacion for that point. Itong San Sebastian, they really need to get those points mula sa kanilang opensa. For the first 2 sets, yun talaga yung naging challenge.
Hindi, mapag-iiwanan na naman sila. Villegas with a service error allows Ateneo to take the lead away from the Lady Stags. It's now 6 for the white shirts and 5 for San Sebastian. Joanna Maraginot for the Lady Eagles. Good dig by Andre Mulia.
Thank you.
Good defense.
Sumali eh.
Oo. At si Coach Maki protecting our GMA mug. Oo.
Baka matapon yung kape sa loob.
Oo. Galit si Noel. Si Sir Seb. Bastet 6. Lady Eagles also with 6. San Sebastian now with 7.
One of the biggest change na nakita ko rin dito sa San Sebastian ngayon, no? Tumatawa na sila because they're up by 1 point. And nakakatulong, I guess,
Yan.
yung saya nila sa loob ng court.
Maraming nagsasabi yung cliche na have fun. Pero pag ikaw ay naglalaro sa laban,
Hirap nun.
wala akong nararamdaman.
With all the pressure.
Gusto ko manalo.
Oo, syempre.
Diba? What's fun is you're able to execute. But to think of fun when you're playing and
It's
trying to
hard.
compete, iba eh.
Iba yun.
Oo.
Mahirap yun. Lalo na kapag may pressure.
But it's easy to say when just watching or probably sometimes when you're coaching. Pero para sa players, kagat-ipin yan eh.
Ito kaya. Pag-enjoy.
Diba? Labas ugat, ika nga. And Ateneo comes out firing. Ahumiro comes out smoking and scoring. First technical timeout, Ateneo with 8. San Sebastian at 7 points. Welcome back to our live coverage of the Shakey's B-League. And for B-League updates sa GMA International, check out your Twitter and your Instagram. But before that, pakinggan muna natin si Ms. Trisha Robredo.
Anon Ronnie, kanina lamang nakausap ko itong si Ella De Jesus. Itong official diagnosis daw sa kanyang mata ay pre-septal infection at hemorrhagic conjunctivitis. Now, biglaan lang daw ito nangyari. And basically, it's bacterial with 3 to 4 days of recovery depending on how well she would respond to the antibiotics. However, so far, so good naman para sa Ateneo. And while the coaches are impressed with their kids, sabi nila ay pinahirapan at pinaghirapan ito ng mga bata sa ensayo. So, kupunan naman ng baste, pakiramdam ni Coach Clint ay kinukulang sila sa extra effort at focus. Not only are they quite problematic when it comes to defense, most especially in blocking, nadidistract din daw sila sa crowd. Kaya sabi ni Coach, kung yun lang naman ang dahilan, isipin ninyo na para sa atin ang mga hiyaw. Back to you guys.
I-re-channel mo nga naman. Maski yung palakpak, nandun sa puti.
Oo.
Isipin mo para sa'yo. Oo.
Para naman yun.
Salamat po.
Isa lang masasabi ko, ang galing ng memory ni Trisha. Na-memorize niya kung ano yung tawag doon sa condition ni Ella. Mahaba yun ah.
Mahaba yun. Basta alam ko, na-irritate yung mata ni Ella.
Yun din yung nakuha ko.
I hope that Ella recovers soon para makabalik na siya sa live action. This Ultra Fast Spike is brought to you by PLDT Home Ultra, the Ultra Fast LTE for a happy family. Alyssa Valdez, once again, picture perfect. Pang-poster eh.
Oo. Yung form.
Ganda panuorin. Pero more than that, ang galing maglaro. Oops!
Oh.
Can't happen.
Yep.
Communication is always essential. Pwedeng mag-usap, bawal magkahiyaan. Masakit so kung tinamaan ka, di ba?
Tama. Oo. Tsaka ano yan, mahirap na because of injury pa daw sila tumalon.
Oo.
Oo.
Si Miss Kat Tolentino nga, hindi nakapaglaro, di ba? Para
Oo.
sa
Yun naman, no? Still,
kapatid niya ni Vince Tolentino na naglalaro para sa Ateneo Blue Eagles.
warm up pa lang, no? Got that ACL injury.
Pero ito, hindi nagwa-warm up ang San Sebastian after our first technical timeout. And now they're 3 points behind. Timeout for Coach Clint.
Nagsasalita ka ba? Matatalon na kayo dyan. Nakadikit na tayo eh. Puro error na naman eh. Iwasan nyo nga yung kakatouch net. Stress mo lang. Huwag mong idudulo. Masyadong malalaki. Ayan. Arali mo maigi yung blocker mo. Nakita mong dalawa na dito, pwede ka mag-drop ball sa likod.
Go, go! Wala lang yan! Wala lang yan! Talo lang yan! Tsaka lang ang
When things are not going right, when everything seems to go wrong, to always listen to the voice of your coach or your coaches just to stabilize yung takbo ng barko. Dahil minsan, sa sobrang pag-alok, mahihilo ka na eh.
Oo, tsaka minsan ang hirap din. No? That's why some players get pulled out of the court para makita nila kung anong nangyayari sa loob.
At minsan, hindi mo na makita pag nandun ka.
Oo.
Take a look at the game from a different perspective. Ultra fast LTA for Happy Family with speeds up to 10. Mbps monthly internet for as low as 999. Even after the timeout was called, puntos pa rin para dito sa Ateneo. At sabi nga ni Coach Clint Palazzo, ang lalaki. Baka pwedeng i-drop din sa bandang liko dahil hindi nila mabutasan yung mga blockers ng Lady Eagles. Almost an ace for Ateneo. Alyssa Valdez. Good read by Alyssa.
And now, even the simplest errors, ano? Nakukommit nito.
Yung routine return na tinatawag, di ba?
San Sebastian.
Lapsing into unforced errors and parang shooting themselves in the foot right now. They lost their first game of this collegiate conference to the Benil Blazers. Looking to rebound after that sorry loss. But they're up against Alyssa Valdez. And of course, Joanna Maraginot and the rest of the Lady Eagles. But Labiano nails one versus Risa Sato. 9 for San Sebastian, 13 para dito sa Ateneo Villegas. Nasa harap na, kasama si Labiano.
Oh.
Buti nakatawid yun.
Oo. Malapit sa tape ng net.
Oo. And that pushes the Lady Stags closer to the Lady Eagles. And probably this is the best set for the Lady Stags all match long.
Let's see, si Labiano already showing some signs of life dito sa set na ito.
But once again, at brief sign of momentum dissipating because of that service error. The official ball of the Shakey's B-League is Mikasa. Alyssa Valdez, sharp serve. Villegas unmarked. Villegas does not score.
No blocker there, sayang.
Bukas na bukas. Tama yung binanggit mo kanina. Merong intimidation factor eh.
Oo, iba Iba talaga eh. But if you know you're playing...
I'm sure this is not the way the Lady Stags practice and play. Alam yan ni Coach Clint Palazzo. Kaya kunot na yun ni Coach Clint eh. Dinan mo. Dinan mo. Di ba? Ano yan eh. Chillax lang yan eh. Di ba? Steady lang.
Hindi na siya masaya sa kanyang nakikita.
Giselle under the cross-court setup for Joanna Maraginot. Lim counters for the Lady Stags. Maraginot once again. Subalit hindi papasok para kay Maraginot. San Sebastian threatening here in the third. Refusing to quit, refusing to be swept ng hagupit ng Lady Eagles. Tan. Risa Sato. Tan. Going to Alyssa at the back.
Si Alyssa, pinupwesto-pwesto lang, no? But,
placing lang sa kanya eh.
placing na lang. Pero, lumabas yung isa na yun.
13 for Baste. 15 for Ateneo. And the heart and soul of this team is Dolina Labiano. There's no doubt about it. 9 points in their first game. Valdez. Going to Maraginot. Maraginot fails to convert. Pero ang masakit para sa Ateneo, puro attack errors ang nangyayari.
Yes. Na-reverse talagang lahat ng pamigay, ano? Their strength is now becoming a weakness here to the third.
As Coach Ty Bundit calls ceasefire.
Flip mo la, ha?
Let's go. One more. Hey, girls.
Not high. Hard. Hard stronger. Happy. 1, 2, 3.
This is our ultra fan family of the game. Mengis family, Eddie, Elaine, Christian, Adrian, and Angel, Kyle, Denise. thank you for trooping over dito sa ating Phil Oil Flying V Arena. At maraming salamat sa inyong patuloy na pagsubaybay sa ating collegiate conference ng inyong paboritong Shakey's V-League. This is the first game of our triple header on a very hot Sunday afternoon. And after the timeout was called by Coach Ty Bundit, Ateneo reaches 16 points for our second tactical timeout. Lamang Ateneo ng 2 puntos. Action between Ateneo and San Sebastian. Abangan bukas, 1 p.m. CSB versus TIP. Dito pa rin sa GMA News TV. Only 2-point lead for the Lady Eagles. Side spin ni Risa Sato on her serve. Villegas against Maraguinot. Maraguinot prevails. Perfect timing for Joanna Maraguinot.
Good read on Villegas. Itong set na ito, Coach Ronnie, sinabi mo kanina, better performance ng San Sebastian. And I'm looking at some of the stats right now, 7 attack points ang parehong koponan.
Wow.
So talagang nag-improve
Best
nga
na yun
talaga.
for Baste, di ba?
Yes, that's right.
Giselle Tan, keeping that ball alive. Free ball. Coming from Eliza. Lim. Narong foot doon. Tan. Once again, that's money para dito kay Amy Ahumiro.
Tapik-tapik lang, hahanap ng butas sa kabilang court.
Tapik-tapik pero malutong din eh. Timeout for Coach Clint Malazzo. They're behind by 4 at 18-14.
Tapakan pa ng block bago niya palagay. Bago pa lang niya itaas yung block niya, panuhin mo. Yun na yung pinaka-advantage natin sa single block eh. Kailangan natin makuha yan, yung ano yan. Kesa magsugal tayo ng 2 blocker dito. Jay, malaki yung nasa gitna, huwag mong ano yun. Yan. Kung tumulong ka din sa quick.
Sabi ni Coach Clint, malaki yung nasa gitna pero gitna, gilid, likuran, tingin ko malaki eh. Kasi si Giselle Tan lang yung nag-save ng bola kanina for Ateneo and that led to this point coming from Ahumiro as Eliza Valdez applauds the effort of this vastly improved and extremely confident na si Amy Ahumiro. Risa Sato going to Labiana. Lim this time much more ready. Oops. Halos magbanggaan si Eliza at Gakiliana. 15 points for San Sebastian as Guillermo prepares to serve.
Ang importante ngayon sa San Sebastian, talaga sabayan lang ang opensa nitong, dikitan lang ang opensa nitong Ateneo because it's working for them here in the third set.
Guillermo attacking Eliza. But Maraguinot once again, not only has top scored for the Lady Eagles all game long, pero pag kinakailangan ng puntos, si Giselle, si Jane Maraguinot, o si Joanna Maraguinot ang pinupuntahan. This Ultrafast Spike is brought to you by PLDT Home Ultra, Ultrafast LTE for a happy family. The sprightly Giselle Tan. Encarnacion, difficult angle. Tumama sa antena yung palo doon. Itong si Encarnacion. Ateneo 19. San Sebastian 16. The official outfielder of the Shakey's V-League is Axel.
Good first ball. Itong si Maraguinot, mapa sa left side, sa right side, kaya.
Kadalasan, merong paboritong spot no, yung mga players. Depende sa take-off leg mo. Pero siya, yung lipad niya, kaliwat kanan. At si Maraguinot is right now on deck to serve for Ateneo. Commits that service error. Lady Stag still in the hunt. Lim for San Sebastian will be preparing to serve for Baste. San Sebastian is 2 sets behind. La Victoria, rare reception miscue coming from La Victoria.
She's done an excellent job throughout, especially dun sa service reception.
18 for the red and gold. 20 for the blue and white, or the white and blue. Oops, service ace coming from Lim. Coach Ty Bundit unhappy. Ateneo looking to close out. San Sebastian looking to stay alive. If it's Fun Family and Pizza, it's got to be Shakey's. Yan yung mga makalaglag balikat. Tangkang makatabla, Ateneo with a 2-point cushion after that last service error nitong si Lim. Amy Ahumiro was also scored well for Ateneo. Now on deck to serve. Guillema. Oops, not over. Hindi
More touches na.
hindi pumasok para kay Encarnacion. Nasa ilalim siya ng bola ron. Makikita mo rito yung experience dun sa mga veteranong players ng Ateneo. Very composed.
And yun ang importante, no? How composed you are, how you can really handle pressure.
Excellent decision by Guillema. Napuntahan ng kanilang leader na si Julina Labiano who delivers. Closest set
Yes.
nating nakita all match long.
At magandang rotation ito para sa San Sebastian dahil nandyan si Labiano. Pero, hindi makakatulong yung service error na yun.
And this is where experience also comes in. When the points are tight, when it's clutch. Yung pagdaus-dos ng momentum masakit dahil
Yes.
baka hindi ka na magkaroon ng pangalawang pagkakataon.
And of course, crucial part na rin ito ng third set, where you want to really keep your score close. At si Labiano, yun nga, that's exactly what she's doing for her squad.
Guillema also doing a good job making the defense guess. Napapabukan niya yung double block at pag single block, alam niya yung kakayahan ni Julina Labiano. Yung power at yung precision ni Labiano sa kanyang mga atake. And right now, yung mga attack points, nanganganak na para sa San Sebastian. Let's see if they'll do a better job sa kanilang pag-serve. Joyce Santa Rita. Good reception coming from La Victoria. Eliza Valdez connecting with Giselle Tan. Go Ali.
Walang kahirap-hirap yung puntos ni Ali. Almost all of the banners, Go Ali.
Parang pinakamahirap na ron is yung service reception Diba, ni La Victoria? Kasi doon sila nagka-problema sa paghabol kanina ng Baste.
Yun na yun.
3 set points equivalent to 3 match points for Baste. Good save by Giselle Tan. Pinalo from the back. Villegas with a tip. Oops.
That one is out.
And Ateneo will sweep the challenge ng Lady Stags. Ateneo goes up to 2-0. San Sebastian tried to fight back, but eventually, kasama nga, masyadong mabigat ang roster power na dala ng Ateneo.
That's it. Very composed and experienced. Considering marami pa rin bata dito sa Ateneo, very composed itong team na to. And again, a learning experience for San Sebastian.
And a good joyful experience as we take a look at our Shakey's shake and play. San Sebastian will go down to 0-2. Samantalang sila Joanna Maraginot, Eliza Valdez, Giselle Tan will climb to 2-0. At maya-maya lang ay papakita na natin ang ating best player of the game. Pero bago yan, ang ating huling talaan kasama nga.
You see a big improvement talaga sa nilaro ng San Sebastian nung third set. But again, Ateneo just very consistent.
Trisha, tignan natin kung sinong napili ni Anne Rimulya para sa ating best player.
Okay, Joe, so first, congrats on your win. Question lang namin, sabi sa kakakinggan ni Coach Parry na pinaghihirapan mo daw talaga lahat ng ginagawa mo sa ensayo. So sabihin mo naman sa amin, how are you preparing for this league?
Siguro, nag-relax lang ako every time na maglalaro ako. Tsaka, inisip ko lang yung mga sinasabi sa akin lagi nila Coach Parley, nila Coach Tai, para magawa ko lang ng maayos yung dapat ko.
Okay, so Joe, itong year na to, ito na ang last playing year ni Eliza as a college player. At sinasabi nila ikaw yung inaasahang sumunod naman sa yapak niya. Is there any pressure on your part?
Well, hindi ko naman yun iniisip kasi everyone can play well naman. Tsaka, siguro nagkakataon lang na ganun. Ayun. Pero wala naman.
Okay, so maraming salamat. So may gusto ka bang batiin ngayon sa mga nanonood sa atin?
Hi sa parents ko, sa friends ko, sa family ng teammates ko, sa sponsors namin, Sir Bisco, kay Sir Ricky, yun. Hi everyone.
Okay, so Joe, as player of the game, we present to you this box of Shakey's Pizza. Of course, brought to us by Shakey's. Thank you very much and congrats again on your game. Back to you guys.
Sa ngalan ni Tricia Robredo and of course ni Miss Anne Rimulya, this is Ronnie Magsanok saying thank you for watching the Shakey's, baby.